All right, back at you here with another update on the Beater-51 project, and tonight I tackled painting the vertical stabilizer, and that has always been an area that's kind of, I always struggled a little bit how exactly I wanted to make that happen. Because I wanted to have a kind of a rough demarcation line around the natural aluminum and the olive drab to make it look just like it was sprayed in the field. And I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to make that happen. So I got a little creative, and so what I did is I took tracing paper and I traced the outline of the tail, and then using pictures of the actual aircraft, I went and I drew kind of a rough area on where the bare aluminum and the olive drab were. And then I just simply cut the pattern out and then taped it down to the fuselage, and then just sprayed my olive drab over the top of it. And if you can, I'm gonna try to peel some of this off here while I hold the camera. You can see. There we go. Let's slide that out of the way. There you go. You can see that it basically follows the exact shape that I was looking for. And it was super easy. It was way easier than I thought it was gonna be, and I think the results look, they look pretty convincing. So I'll finish up the other side here and we'll see how it looks. But that's a pretty easy way to use just some Testors olive drab spray paint, some tracing paper, some masking tape, and you can easily make some pretty complex shapes like that what we have here on the vertical stabilizer. You can make it pretty easily. So keep going along here on Beater-51, but so far it's moving along pretty well. Still waiting on a lot of parts to arrive. I expect them here in about a week. Then I can start actually assembling and testing out the electronics.